Hello, it is a question related to integral calculus. We have to evaluate a given integration. Let it be equal to I. I is equal to integration of cos x divided by 1 minus cos x dx. Now dividing numerator and denominator by sin x. So this may be written as integration of cos x divided by sin x divided by 1 upon sin x minus cos x divided by sin x dx. As we have divided numerator and denominator by sin x, so there will be no change. So it will be equal to, because we know cos x over sin x is equal to cot x, and 1 upon sin x is equal to cosec x. So this may be written as, because cos x over sin x is equal to cot x, so this may be written as numerator cot x, 1 upon sin x is equal to cosec x, and cos x upon sin x is equal to cot x. So now we see that two expressions given in question are equal. Right? Now we will rationalize the denominator to solve this integration. So this will be cot x divided by cosec x minus cot x. Now we will multiply numerator and denominator by cosec x plus cot x. So it will be cosec x plus cot x divided by cosec x plus cot x dx. Now this may be written as numerator cosec x into cot x plus cot square x divided by, we know a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So denominator may be written as, by applying this formula, cosec square x minus cot square x dx. Now we know cosec square x is equal to 1 plus cot square x. So cosec square x minus cot square x may be written as 1. So given integration may be written as integration of cosec x plus cot x plus cot square x. From this formula, cot square x may be written as cosec square x minus 1. So here we, in place of cot square x, we may write cosec square x minus 1, and in place of cosec square x minus cot square x, we may write 1 dx. Now each term can be, denominator is 1, so this may be ignored, and each term may be integrated separately. So this may be written as integration of cosec x into cot x dx plus integration of cosec square x dx minus integration of 1 dx, because we know integration of function 1x plus function 2x. Integration of function 1x plus function 2x dx is equal to integration of function 1x dx plus integration of function 2x dx. Now we know integration of cosec x into cot x is equal to cosec x into cot x dx is equal to, we know integration of cosec x into cot x dx is equal to minus cosec x plus c, and integration of cosec square x dx is equal to integration of minus cot x plus c. So we will apply these two formula here. So this may be written as integration of minus cosec x, integration of cosec square x we may write as minus cot x integration of cosec x minus cot x minus x, integration of 1 dx we know is equal to x plus c. So this may be written as minus cosec x minus cot x minus x plus c, minus cosec x minus cot x minus cosec x minus cot x minus x plus c. This is the required answer. Thank you.